Okay, today we're gonna do a knockdown on a ceiling. I have a knockdown knife. Can you see it? Knockdown knife, pretty big. We're gonna use that later on. I have some joint compound, and it's watered down real well. See that? It's kind of soupy. And then we have the PowerTech sprayer from Wagner. We're gonna load up the bin, the hopper, and we're gonna spray the ceiling. So here's what we do. We load it up, and we're gonna make an incredible mess, but it's gonna look great on the ceiling. Okay, here we go. So we've already prepped the ceiling, scraped down the popcorn up there, and we did a little prep on the ceiling, and we got the ceiling nice and flat. So we're gonna spray this. I probably only need, one hopper full. And we'll put this, I don't know, we're gonna do a little bit of this, and then you do a little bit of this. We'll do a test on the wall. Hold on. See how it comes out of the hopper. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, now, so we're waiting for it to kind of skin over just a little bit. And I think we're just about ready to knock it down with the knockdown knife. And then, it's a nice dirty light bulb there, you like that? Yeah, so it's looking good, so here we go. We're gonna take the knockdown knife. We're just gonna pull it across. Knock it down just like that. I don't know if you can see that or not. Looks good. Okay, here's the ceiling after it's dried. Looks pretty good. Now we're gonna take this, the sanding block with an edge on it. We're gonna cut a nice edge for the paint. See, like right here? So we're gonna do just some light sanding to cut the edge in. So when the wall gets painted, you'll have a nice clean line. How you like that tip? Here we go. We're giving you an update on the ceiling. It's finally done. One coat of primer and one coat of dead flat off-white paint. You don't want to do bright white because bright white is too bright white. Just doesn't cut it. So here's what it looks like. Here you go. Looks pretty good. Such a professional job from that little machine. I like it.